Protegus 2 Company is the security systems and user management platform for the security business. By providing a centralized platform for managing security systems, Protegus Company eliminates the need for manual and time-consuming tasks. Security professionals can easily access and control multiple systems from a single interface, manage Trikdis device messaging and routing to security centers, ensuring efficient management and seamless operation. Security system management can be a complex and time-consuming task. Manual event tracking, configuring devices, and managing users can lead to errors, missed alerts, and security vulnerabilities. With Protegus, you can avoid these errors because it offers features such as event filtering, system management, user management, tag systems, event and reaction management, assignment of monitoring centers, virtual receiver settings, an assistant request system, and everything that can be branded with your colors and logo. How it works. Our alarm platform with Trikdis devices is the foundation for your own ecosystem, with the ability to customize rules and integrate with other systems to create a solution that is both secure and valuable. The entire ecosystem consists of 3 essential components: a protected object with Trikdis equipment, the Protegus Company Cloud, and a central monitoring station. The Protegus Company Cloud serves as a virtual receiver, receiving messages from Trikdis devices and transmitting them to the security monitoring station and to the Protegus 2 application. All of this is managed through the Protegus 2 Company account. It is important to note that this cloud solution can be installed on your designated server, which means that there will be no third party in your security business ecosystem, unlike other similar solutions. The Protegus platform consists of 3 entities. Protegus app, designed for end users to control security systems with Trikdis devices. It is, and always will be, free of charge for your clients. Protegus Company, designed to manage the entire Trikdis ecosystem. It allows administrators to manage users and systems, program Trikdis devices, and control message routing. You can enhance your brand's appeal by seamlessly integrating your logo and selecting custom colors to create brand awareness for your clients. This can also include a designated individual virtual receiver. And Protegus Custom offers everything that Protegus Company does, but with a custom branded app and reporting solution tailored specifically for you. Protegus Custom can be hosted on your servers or in the cloud. It also provides you with the flexibility to create Protegus Company accounts within your ecosystem, allowing you to deliver exceptional service to your clients. This option includes in-house cloud and a virtual receiver. Let's explore the interior of the platform. The first window that appears after logging in is the system list. Here, you can view all your Trikdis devices with systems in the Protegus 2 app. Effortlessly navigate through multiple security systems using Protegus filtering options. Find the specific system you need with just a few clicks, saving valuable time and effort. Filter by any system property or search by keyword. Open a particular security system within the platform, enabling you to control and program it without the need to switch between different windows or applications. Stay focused and efficient with all the necessary tools in one convenient location. With the platform, you can easily delete a security system without depending on Trikdis support. Enjoy the freedom and autonomy to remove systems from your network quickly and independently. Events window. In the Events window, stay informed and up to date with real-time events from alarm systems. Receive instant notifications as events occur, providing you with timely insights and visibility into the activities and incidents happening within your security systems. Filter events by type, security system name, or tag, allowing you to focus on specific event categories or systems. Easily locate events based on specific dates or date ranges, enabling you to analyze historical data and track trends over time. Experience streamlined navigation by quickly accessing the associated security system from any event. Manage Protegus users. Effortlessly administer users with the ability to add, delete, and activate Protegus users, all from a single intuitive interface. Filter by role, name, email, systems, etc., enabling you to focus on specific users, systems, or tags. Enhance organization and categorization by associating users with relevant tags, streamlining user identification and grouping. Ensure optimal access and permissions for each user by assigning roles as needed, empowering your users with the right level of authority. Set user permissions and roles. User roles in Protegus define the set of permissions and access rights assigned to different categories of users. Each user role represents a specific level of authority and determines what actions a user can perform within the Protegus environment. For example, you can provide installers with access only to the Protegus functions necessary for equipment installation. Meanwhile, end users can have limited rights to modify module settings. With this functionality, you can create your own Protegus usage scenarios. Create tags. In Protegus, tags are a powerful tool that allows you to categorize and organize various elements within the system. Tags can be applied to systems and user roles. They provide a flexible way to group related items and manage access rights based on these groupings. For instance, if you have a team of installers who are responsible for equipment installation, you can assign them a specific installer tag. This tag can then be associated with the systems they are authorized to access and modify. By doing so, you provide installers with access to the Proteus functions necessary for their work, while limiting their access to other sensitive areas of the system. Also, this allows you to grant access to Protegus to your trusted partners or clients who have their own systems, ensuring privacy and exclusive access. Define, customize, and fine-tune security events to meet the unique needs of your end users. Have the power to determine the outcome and response for each event. Decide which reactions will be visible to end users in the Protegus app. Provide a personalized and secure user experience by displaying relevant reactions to the right users. Assign events to the Protegus reactions. Seamlessly connect security events with the appropriate reactions in the Protegus app. Scan the device QR and assign it to the monitoring center. We made the addition of devices to a monitoring center as simple and intuitive as possible. With a single click, you can select the target security company monitoring center to which the module will report. This eliminates the need for manual entry of receiver information and ensures that messages from the devices are automatically directed to the designated monitoring center software. By creating device setup templates, you can accelerate device setup in your installations by up to 10 times compared to manual configuration methods. Configure virtual receivers. Fully configure event flow to monitoring stations or security companies, change port settings, addresses, and message protocols for devices in a convenient centralized interface. More features in settings and management. Change your Protegus logo to your company logo. You have the ability to change the Protegus logo and personalize it with your company's logo and colors. This feature allows you to create a cohesive and branded interface for your users, enhancing brand recognition and reinforcing your company's identity. Button for users to request the installer's assistance. You can enable your users to request assistance in troubleshooting problems. They can grant access for a limited time to their assigned installer, or the company admin can create a task with a specific system assistance request. As we've just scratched the surface of Protegus, it's important to remember that what you've seen today represents just a glimpse of what our platform has to offer. Our commitment to innovation and your security needs means that there's much more in the pipeline. We're constantly working on new features, enhancements, and possibilities to make your experience with Protegus even more powerful and user-friendly. Our dedication to staying at the forefront of the security industry ensures that you'll have access to cutting-edge tools and services. Stay tuned for updates and keep exploring with Protegus because the future is bright, secure, and filled with endless possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we can't wait to share what's next.